Today we talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your WhatsApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You will find here settings, just click on it. Then you go down here, you will find here business info, just click on it. You can to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come to your phone number, and here can you add your phone number if you add it before, and here can you change it. So if you don't you add it, then you go above save, click on it. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.